Hello, I wanted to explain what your assignment is for slavery from different points of view. So, what we're going to actually look at are two paintings. So in the last episode, no, in the last assignment, we read two passages, so primary sources from the time period of actual people who were slaves. Now we're going to look at paintings that portray slavery from two different points of view. Now, when we're talking about paintings, we have to really think about how the artist uses color and specific images to create meaning. Okay, the color is going to be really important. Light is going to be really important. So think about that when you are observing these paintings. And what I would suggest you do is just maybe for 30 seconds, and you don't think that's very long, but when you're doing it silently and by yourself, seems like a long time. So observe the painting for about 30 seconds to see what you can notice. And obviously you can blow this up or zoom in if you need to. Okay. So for example, I see a cotton field. I see bales of cotton. I see some donkeys or mules, perhaps. I see people scattered working in the fields. I see a man on a horse back here. So it looks like maybe a cotton mill, or maybe I almost thought it was a factory because of this chimney there. It looks like maybe a cabin back here. Maybe there's even a river way back there because I see a steamboat and a house. Okay. And then I see a couple of groups of people. This looks like maybe a family to me. And then so we have a family here, and then we have a group of two people here, and I think these are different people. So these are black people, and these are white people, and then we have a group over here. And if you saw the dog, good for you. So, though we might assume this is slavery, because I only see maybe black people working in the fields, and since this is the subject of our unit, then obviously, oh my gosh, here we go. Oh, come on, I'm sorry. All right. So I just want to point it out a couple of details that you may have missed. Okay. So some of the questions are asking, what is the mood or feeling the artist is trying to portray in the painting work of a slave? And when I say mood or feeling, though, does this bring you joy? Does it bring you sadness? Does it bring you anger? Or is it exciting? Or is it just like, okay, yeah, okay, I see this. Okay. So what is it? Okay. How do you feel when you look at this painting? So what specific things in the painting helped create the mood? Okay. So if it's making you angry, why is it making you angry? So what in here makes you angry, if that's your answer to number one? If it makes you happy, why does it make you happy? Or if it doesn't make you feel anything, why? Okay, that's how you're going to answer number two. Number three, what point of view about slavery does this painting support? Now here's the kicker. Is it for slavery or is it against slavery? Now you really got to think about that. Okay. Do you think this painting is realistic? Meaning, is this what you really think slavery looked like back then? Why or why not? You tell me. The second painting that we're going to look at, actually, it's probably a drawing, I guess. All right, so now we have definitely a different tone of painting here. So we have several figures. Some are in the foreground, that means in the front. Some in the background here. Okay, so the colors are a little different. The mood may be a little different. Okay. Okay. So how does the artist achieve this mood that you're, so when you look at this, how do you feel? Okay. How is it supposed to make you feel, maybe? And how does the artist achieve that mood?
Okay.
So number 7, why do you think one man has a bright pink shirt and blue pants while the others are wearing drab or dull colors? That's what that means. So, and you also might notice that he is also in the center and he's the tallest one here. So it's probably for some reason. Okay. Number 8, what point of view about slavery does this painting support? Is it for or against slavery? Which of these two paintings do you think is more accurate portrayal of slavery? So this is just comparing two paintings and show us what people thought of slavery. Okay. And
Hey, last but not
okay, sorry, I kept on getting interrupted by the intercom. So when looking at a painting or any visual art, the artist makes decisions on purpose so they will get their point across. Okay, so ultimately there's a difference between this painting about slavery and this painting about slavery. And so you need to be aware of that. The artists are extremely intentional about what they do. Just be thinking about that next time you go observe paintings or see paintings. And we'll definitely do this next year as well. All right, thanks.